By looking at these two images, can you tell me which image is real and in which image the face has been changed? Look at these videos. Can you tell which video is real and which video is a deep fake? Nowadays, you have seen many such deep fake videos or images on social media platforms. In today's video, I will tell you, step by step, how you can easily create such images or deep fake videos. Not only face swap, now you can swap dresses too. Let's dive in. Open your browser and search for Face Swapper AI. Open the first result. Here you can see swap faces, swap clothes, and swap anything with AI. Here you can swap faces between two images. You can change clothes in any of your images. Also, it has a video face swapper tool with the best results. You can change any face from your group photo. It can extract the faces from any image, and you can download only faces. Magic Avatarly also has a great feature where you can upload an image, and it will generate different styled images of the person in that image. First, you need to create an account here, and you'll get 10 free credits to test it out. So let's start by testing image face swap. Click on this arrow to get to the page. Its interface is very simple. First, you need to upload a face image here, the one you want to replace in the target image. So I'll use this image of Tom Cruise. And for the target image, I'll upload this one. After uploading both images, click on Start Face Swapping. In 5 to 10 seconds, the face swap will be completed. Okay, it's done. I'll zoom in to show you the before and after results. To download it, click on the download button and save it. Now let's move on to the next tool, which is called Cloth Swapper. Open it and upload the image where you want to change the dress. I've uploaded this image of a girl in a red dress. Below, there's a prompt box where you can write your desired prompt for the type of dress you want in the image. There's already a prompt here, a girl wearing a black dress. So I'm not going to change the prompt because I like it. Let's click on Start Clothes Swapping and see how it changes the clothes in this image. Okay, you can see in the top right corner that the swap success notification has appeared and the girl's dress has completely changed to a black dress. I'll zoom in to show you the before and after. Alright, to download it, click on the download button and save the image. Now let's move on to the next tool, which is Video Face Swapper. I know most of you are here to see this one. I'll click on the arrow icon to open it. First, click on Add Face to select the face image you want to use in the video. I'll upload this image of an actress. Below, you need to upload the video where you want to swap the face. I'll use this video. After uploading the video, click on Start Video Swapping. It says that video processing is in progress. This can take 5 to 10 minutes, so you can close this window and check your video later in the History tab. So I'll click on Close and Upload. Now I'll open the History tab and you can see it's showing waiting. I'll wait a bit and then open it to show you the result. Okay, it's done successfully, so I'll download it. You can see the result. Here's another example for you to see. The next tool is Multi-Face Swapper. For example, if you have a group photo and you're not in it, but you want to replace someone's face with yours, you can do it with this tool. First, upload the face image you want to use. You can change it by double-clicking on the image. Below, upload the group photo. Now you can see all the faces in the group photo appear below. You need to select the face you want to swap with your uploaded image. You can select multiple faces, but I suggest selecting just one. So, I'll swap this girl's face with the selected face. I'll select it and start face swapping. You can see the girl's face has been replaced with the new one. I'll download it and show you a comparison. The next tool is Face Cutter, where you can upload any image and click on Cut All Faces. It will extract all the faces in the image as separate images. You can download them individually from here, or click on Download All to get all the images in a single zip file. Now the last tool is Magic Avatarly. You upload an image here and it will generate different and unique styles of that person. You can see the guide here, which suggests that the image you upload should be of the person looking straight ahead and without glasses. So I'll upload this image. Above you need to select the gender, so I'll leave it as female. Then click on Face Swap. You can see that this tool has generated very unique and different images of the girl. I'll download all the images and show you the results. So sign up here with your email and you'll get 10 free daily credits, which I think are more than enough. If you need more, you can check out their plans as well. That's the end of this video. If you found it valuable, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next one.